Hi, my name's John Cristani, and this is your invitation to join a webinar that I'm hosting on how to create your own internet business from scratch that creates for you an automated passive online income.
Able to quit my job because of this mastermind beast right here.
And I made 5 commissions.
I just made my first online commission.
John, absolutely one of the best teachers there are.
If you're still earning an hourly wage or a monthly salary, you probably know something's very wrong. And it's because you're the part of a corporate system that's been designed and rigged against you to take your freedom and your time away from you like a slave. Now, if you'd like to learn how you can finally create the freedom that you deserve and join a community of internet entrepreneurs that are doing the same for themselves and learn how you can create your own online income, then register for this webinar today. Reserve your seat on one of the webinars I'm hosting this week. There should be a link below or a box somewhere on this page. See you there. I'm John Cristani, and I'd like to invite you to an exclusive webinar I'm hosting this week on how you can create your own internet business from scratch like I did, to the point where it's fully automated and making you at least $1,000 profit every single day. Now, if you don't know about my story, I've been featured on TV and news stations such as Fox and CBS, and in news magazines such as Forbes, Entrepreneur, and Inc. magazine. And I have a unique story, which is I've been able to quit my 9-to-5 corporate job and travel the world and became an internet millionaire in the process. Now, 4 years ago, I never believed it would be possible for me to actually live life on my own terms and experience the sort of freedom of being able to define my own time and define where I am in the world, my own location, because all I did was I worked every single day in a little cubicle prison cell. And I'm so fortunate that I had found a mentor that had showed me a different path for how I could live life on my own terms and define my own schedule. I used to wake up every single day to the buzzing of an alarm clock. I used to spend an hour a day in traffic to get to a job where I worked in a little cubicle for a boss I hated, and I couldn't stand another freaking second of it. Now, I created my internet business as a way to support my life, a way to support where I want to go in life. And in this exclusive webinar that you're going to sign up for, I'm going to show you step by step how I've been able to create my system so that it's fully automated and generates me at least $1,000 every single day. It's an internet business that I'm proud of and I'm happy to share with others. And my systems for doing so have not only affected me, but they've changed the lives of hundreds and thousands of students around the world. Register somewhere on this page for an exclusive webinar that I'm hosting this week only. Space is limited, and I look forward to seeing you on this webinar. The hardest thing to do is to believe it's possible. Take a chance on yourself.
John Cristani, he's got the tools you need to be successful. So, John, absolutely one of the best teachers there are.
He teaches you the stuff that most people won't teach you.
I think he provides value at the end of the day, you know.
He's a guy that you can trust. He's a guy that you can learn from. And I just saw right away that John is just like a visionary.
He lays out the path so simply.
What's up, ClickBank affiliates, product owners? Got an exciting affiliate and JV opportunity that's working right now. High ticket, converting on Facebook traffic, cold Facebook traffic, cold Google traffic, cold YouTube traffic, emails, product backends, JV promos, and of course review blogs and vlogs. So I'm gonna explain to you some of the numbers real quick. First off, if you guys don't know who I am, I'm John Cristani. You may have seen I've known for affiliate marketing and paid advertising. That's what this program, the super affiliate system, is about. So you can search super affiliate